I couldn't complete this part in the last video. There was some issue with the uh, this itself. What do you say? Recorder itself. So I couldn't record it. So I continued it in this second video. So disadvantages of fluid friction. It reduces the speed of any object when the car is moving because of the air friction. Also, it actually reduces its speed, and of course, it decreases the efficiency of the machines as well. When the machines are running in the fluid, actually it reduces the efficiency of the method of reducing the friction is a simple method by giving streamlined shape. What is streamlined shape? What do you mean by streamlined shape? Aeroplanes, if you check, or if you check the car as well, the car will have the shape like a streamline. ऐसे shape होता है ना? Streamline का shape होता है car का. You must have observed that. So that the air flows over it, it won't give a drag, it won't give a proper drag on the car. That's the reason the car will have the shape like a streamline. Similarly, aeroplane also will have similar shape. You must have observed the aeroplanes as well, है ना? Aeroplane also will have the similar shape, the streamline. Okay, that's the only way to reduce the drag of the drag of what, the fluid. Okay, here is the example. If a plane object is moving, you can check how the flow of the air is, how the flow of the air, it is disturbed here, you can check that. Okay, if the object is even circular, we feel that the drag will be less, but you can check here, the drag is of course there. Even if the object here it is a circular, of course the force, but if it is streamlined, you can check here, streamline like a aeroplane, what will happen, the air flows properly and the drag will be less. So this structure is called as a streamlined structure. What is it called as a streamlined structure? The similar streamlined structure you have for the aeroplane, you have for the car, and you also have the same shape for the ships as well. You can check here, this is the streamlined structure, you can check there. Okay, so this streamline structure, basically, how did we understand that the streamline structure will help us in having less drag, less drag? So the example that what we find in the nature itself, that is streamline. The birds, the shape of the bird, shape of the fishes are the similar, that is streamlined, isn't it? That's the reason they can easily fly in the sky, and even the fishes can swim inside the water where the drag is too much. Where the drag is too much in the water. If you walk in the water, you will understand, and if you walk in the air, you will understand there is a large drag by the water, isn't it? Whether it is towards the stream or whether it is against the stream, you will get a kind of a drag inside the water to walk, right? Because of the streamlined nature of the fish and the bird, they can easily flow or easily move through that particular water as well. Okay, is this clear? Did you understand? So how is the, what is the way of reducing this drag is by streamlined shape. Fine, so simple, very easy. Disadvantage and method of reducing the friction. Okay, there are so many other things as well. Now exercise we have to go ahead with, but that we'll see later on, that is in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. The topic is finished. Let me tell you, the friction is finished. So tomorrow we'll be discussing the exercise and tomorrow we'll be solving the question. Till then, bye bye. Please don't forget to comment on this video so that I will also understand whether the things are going properly or no. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.